Constipation is one of the reasons why you are finding it difficult to poop. But do you know that there are natural ways to fight constipation and make yourself poop? In this video, you will learn the 10 best natural ways to make yourself poop. Stay tuned. Constipation is the main reason why your bowel movement is not consistent. Therefore, if you are willing to get rid of the primary causes of constipation, then you can restore your health condition in no distant time. Natural ways to make yourself poop consist of the following. 1. Drink a glass of water more often. Dehydration plays a role in the primary causes of constipation. Therefore, when you fail to keep your body system hydrated for a longer period, you will likely experience inconsistency in bowel movement. However, proper hydration can help to improve your situation. You can take at least 8-ounce glasses of clean water per day to keep your body system hydrated throughout the day. 2. Use a preferable stool softener. When you are suffering from constipation, its symptoms may become too severe that your stool will become hard for the water to soften alone. Under such a condition, you are required to use a stool softener to improve your bowel movement. You can use docusate calcium, docusate sodium, or any other preferable stool softener to lessen your condition. Whenever you use a stool softener, it can pull more water from your intention to moisten the stool. Therefore, the stool can easily exit from your body without much pressure. 3. Participate in various exercises. When you have more focus on improving your bowel movement within a short time, you should endeavor to participate more actively in several training exercises. When you engage yourself with training exercises such as walking, jogging, swimming, etc., you are also improving your bowel movements. Training exercises support bowel movements by increasing blood flow around your abdomen. As you participate actively in various training exercises, endeavor to back it up with good diets. Drink enough water after each training program to make it sink better into your body system. 4. Eat more high-fiber food. Generally, fiber plays a role in the digestive system. Therefore, when you eat foods that are high in fiber, you can improve your digestive system, at the same time, encourage bowel movement. When you are looking at eating a high-fiber food, your mind should focus on the following: rice, beans, oats, cereal, whole grain bread, fruits, and fibrous vegetables. After eating any of these foods, proceed to accompany the meal with lots of water to make it digest faster than normal. The essence of adding more water to your meal is to support your bowel movement and make it flow out of your body system without any stress. 5. Try using an enema. Enema performs its duty by softening your stool to produce a bowel movement. One good thing about this feature is that there are numerous types of enemas you can try on your body. Some popular categories of enemas consist of soap suds, sodium phosphate, and tap water enemas. Once you select the exact type of enema to use, you can proceed and fill the enema bag with the solution. Use warm water to dilute it before applying it to your body. 6. Put yourself in a squat position to poop. When you are experiencing severe symptoms of constipation, you need to get yourself into a squat position to poop. You can achieve this squatting position using your regular water closet. You are required to bring a small footstool and place it next to the water system. Whenever you want to poop, you can climb it and get yourself in the squat position. 7. Try out colonic massage. The colon massage is referred to as deep organ massage. It can help to reduce the symptoms of constipation within a short time. 8. Use a lubricant laxative. When you use lubricant laxatives like mineral oil, it will attract a slick coat to your intestines wall, thereby enabling free movement of stool through your colon. This liquid attracts numerous health benefits to your body. You can proceed to drink the mineral oil once or twice per day. Note that it is not advisable to take the mineral oil within 2 hours after taking your dinner. Look forward to seeing results about 6 to 8 hours after taking the lubricant. 9. Take a fiber supplement. In some cases, eating high-fiber food alone will not create much impact on your body system. Hence, you will be required to take a fiber supplement that will encourage bowel movement within your body. Some common fiber supplements you may consider taking consist of the following: Fiberkin, Consult, Citrusul, Metamucil, etc. 10. Try using a suppository. When you are consistent in using rectal suppositories, you will discover that the symptoms of constipation will stay clear from your system. While trying to use rectal suppositories to encourage bowel movement, you should try a bisacidil or glycerin suppository. You can find any of these two in your local pharmaceutical stores. In summary, when you begin to stay for days without using the restroom, you should start to find a means to improve your health. You can use any of the home remedies listed above to encourage bowel movement. Leave in the comment section which of these natural remedies best worked for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.